In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a file in a new tab from Google Drive. This simple technique is great when you want to preview or edit a file without losing your place in your drive, compare documents side by side, or keep working through a list while individual files open in separate tabs. It keeps your workflow tidy and efficient. Start by logging into your Google Drive. Open your browser, go to the Drive website, and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Drive homepage where you can see your folders, recent files, and anything that's been shared with you. Give it a moment to load if you have a lot of content. Next, locate the file you want to open. You can scroll through your folders, use the sidebar to jump into a specific directory, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the file by name or type. As you hover over items, you'll see that files and folders highlight to show they're selectable. Make sure you're pointing at the file you actually want to open. Its name or thumbnail will work. Now for the key move, instead of double-clicking the file, which opens it in the same tab, click your middle mouse button once on the file. On most mice, the middle button is the scroll wheel. Press straight down on the wheel, don't roll it, just a firm single click. You can do this on the file's name or its thumbnail in the grid view. Avoid double-clicking as that will replace your drive view and force you to navigate back. When you middle-click, the file will open in a new browser tab. Look toward the top of your browser and you'll see a fresh tab appear with the file's title. Your original Google Drive tab stays where it is, so you can quickly switch back and keep browsing or open more files the same way. This works well when you want multiple documents, spreadsheets, or slides open simultaneously. If you're done with a file, simply close that tab, and you'll be right back in Drive without losing context. If you try the middle click and nothing happens, it's often due to a mouse setting or how your browser handles middle clicks. Ensuring that the middle button is enabled to open links in new tabs usually resolves it. Also, be sure you are clicking on the file itself and not on empty space. That's it. Log in, find your file, middle click once, and enjoy your new tab. Keep practicing this move, and you'll notice your multitasking in Google Drive becomes much smoother.